Global ISR networks, how the world stays connected in battle. Once, intelligence came from a single plane, a single satellite, or a single outpost, but modern conflicts demand more. Today, ISR isn't about a single platform. It's about networks. Satellites, drones, ships, and ground stations all weave together, sharing real-time data across allies and commands. Systems like NATO's Allied Ground Surveillance and US Joint All-Domain Command and Control aim to ensure no soldier fights blind. But connecting every node comes with risk. Networks can be jammed, hacked, or overloaded. Sharing data among allies raises security questions, and in a world where speed decides outcomes, latency or failure could be costly. Still, global ISR networks are the backbone of 21st century warfare. They allow commanders to see the battlefield as a single picture, fusing land, sea, air, space, and cyber into one operational view. From the soldier on the ground to satellites in orbit, ISR networks stitch together the threads of modern defense. Subscribe for more ISR insights, and always keep looking up.